The following Facilities Management Insight was filmed at the NFMT Conference and Expo.
What are the tools in an integrated system? Well, first off, on the top left, there's software. Software is the most visible piece because that's what you typically look at on a day-to-day basis. Your building operators, they're monitoring the system, they're looking at graphics, they're looking at alarms, they're monitoring those alarms, they're running some reports, for instance. That's your software interface, that's the human interface. Typically. Then, of course, everything down below is what makes the software and user interface make any sense to the folks who are using it. And with that, the reason why integration is in a different color there is because really that's the enabler for all those other systems and components and devices to bring information to the software so that it can be intelligently understood. So what does that lead to? What it leads to is reporting capabilities, graphics capabilities, visualization, the alarms and alarm screens, monitoring and acknowledging those alarms, looking for abnormalities, and then finally trended information, which helps you again manage proactively and also take a look at historical data to see how can you better manage your system at different times of the year, for instance, or under different situations. And all that leads to the same thing, information and control. That's what it's all about. Those are the two buckets you're trying to fill. Make sense? So that's really how I define, at least, integration. It's all about how do we pull the pieces and parts, both physical and information-wise, together to manage our facilities so that we have both information and then we have control that doesn't require a lot of human interaction.